So Big Shot, how does an end screen graphic like this actually increase the watch time on your channel? Well, stick around because in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make an end screen template that will actually increase your watch time. Hey Big Shot, my name is Daniel Ford and I help motivated entrepreneurs master the strategies of YouTube for their business so that they can get fresh leads and profits. I release a new video every Tuesday that shows you how you can master the strategies of YouTube for your business. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified every time I release a new video. So why is it so essential for you to have an effective end screen template instead of just tossing something up at the end? Well, it matters because whether you have a good one or not will actually affect your watch time. So just a quick reminder, watch time is the amount of time that someone actually spends watching your video. The more watch time you have, the higher that'll rank in search and get seen by the algorithm. The lower it is, the less chances you have of getting seen in the algorithm and getting more views. So you want to do this so that you get more views on your videos. So what do you need to do to increase that watch time and keep people from falling off the video? So before we really dive into the end screen template itself, I want to give you some tips and tricks of what you can do while the end screen template is popped up on your screen, so that way you can effectively keep people watching on your channel. Make sure that you stay till the end of this video because I'm giving away a free bonus at the end of this video if you watch it all the way to the end. So Big Shot, one of the first tips that I recommend doing for your channel, what I've seen on other channels, is doing bloopers at the end of your video. People love to get a good laugh at people and things and mistakes that they made. I had a client one time that I was making a promotional video for her business. We decided to make a blooper reel from the promotional video. So we took the blooper reel, we posted it on Facebook, and the funny thing is, we got a lot more comments and views on that blooper reel versus the actual video that we just tossed up on Facebook. So I would say using blooper reels is a great example of something that you can put right on your end screen at the end of your video. When this pops up, when that graphic pops up, you could put a blooper reel right there on the screen. Another good example of someone using a blooper reel would be on Melinda Keto's YouTube channel. She's another YouTuber who's a friend of mine. People actually comment down in the comments about this blooper reel. So if you want a better example of a YouTuber that actually does this, check out Melinda Keto's channel. I'll link it right here. She actually does this technique and it's really cool because you notice down in the comments, people are actually commenting about the funny things that she's doing in her video. So think about this as a little tradition that people are waiting for or expecting at the end of the video. And I think it's so important that you do traditions in your videos because this will get people something that they look forward to. So I want you to think about the YouTube channels that you follow specifically. In these YouTube channels, there's probably a lot of jokes or inside things that you wouldn't know unless you watch that video consistently over and over again. These are known as traditions for your videos. So you can utilize some of these tips and tricks for your videos by putting traditions in your videos to give something for your raving fans to look forward to. So another tradition is showing funny comments at the end of your video. Now this one only really works if you have like an actual audience and viewers and commenting on your videos. So if you don't, you might want to skip this one, but this one's really good that you could potentially do in the future. Cinecom.net is a great YouTube channel that I follow, and what they do on their channel is they have comments pop up at the end of their end cards, and they show a bunch of different comments from their YouTube channel that people have said on their channel. Usually funny things that people have said or people trolling on their channel. It's a great tradition and it gets people to try to stay till the end because they try to make funny comments on purpose so that way Cinecom will see it and actually put their comment on there. So that gets people waiting to see if their comment will actually pop up on there. So other traditions that you can do besides those two are lines that you say. So on the YouTube channel Beyond the Trailer, she uses a great traditional line that she says at the end of her video that her fans always expect her to say. Now Grace is the YouTuber on this channel and she always says, "You can watch more videos right now." I hope I said that right. Now Grace always says a traditional line on her YouTube channel, and her fans are always looking forward to this. Another clear example of this is Chris Stuckman's YouTube channel. What's with my movie review YouTube channels? I keep talking about these movie review ones. Chris Stuckman has a great example at the end of his videos. He always says, "You can watch more videos right here and get Stuckmanized." He always says that at the end of his videos. So that's another great traditional line that people look for or his fans look for in his videos because he says it every time. Another traditional line is from Cinecom.net. Going back to that YouTube channel, they always say, "Stay creative" at the end of their videos. But they also add the bloopers and they also add that comments at the end of the video. So creating these traditions will really solidify your channel and get people to want to look forward to this. Let me give you another example. Jeremy John's channel. Yes, I know it's another movie review channel. Jeremy John's channel, he always, instead of actually saying something at the end of his video, he punches the screen. So that's, you can do some sort of action at the end of your videos to get people to look forward to stay. On the YouTube channel DSLR Shooter, in the past when I watched this channel, he used to always take a bite of an apple at the end of his videos. And you'd always look forward to that because he'd always say something really inspirational at the end of his video and then he'd take a bite of an apple. It was great. So let's say you can't come up with any traditions at the end of your videos. So what are some other tips that you can get to get people to stay till the end of your video without dropping off, so you can increase your watch time. So I'd say the number one thing you can do is keep providing value all the way to your end of your video. Don't use any ending language, sort of like, hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe and watch this video. This is really good. If you start doing that, that's ending language. People are gonna realize, okay, no more value is being provided in this video, so now I can leave. So you'll actually notice in your video that your retention is actually gonna be lower if you start using that ending language. So a main tip that I would do is keep your video in the frame and while also having your end screen pop up, but keep providing value. Keep doing the tutorial. You can do it the last like 10 or 15 seconds. Just make sure that you're not using ending language at all. And so as you do that, you'll begin to notice that people will be like, whoa, surprised about what's going on. They'll also be able to see a video popping up on the screen that they could use to watch the rest of your channel, but they haven't left yet because they're still seeing that you're providing them value on your channel. So as soon as you want to end your video, just say goodbye really quick and don't try to go into anything else because that will kill your watch time. You basically want to give them enough time where they won't be able to quit out of your video and see that you're done providing value. So big shots, comment down below and let me know what are some other things that some other channels use to increase the watch time on their channel and keep their audience from clicking out. Now, as far as creating an end screen where you can put your video in the corner, now I'm going to give you a free resource that you can use on your channel to create awesome end card templates. I personally use Affinity Photo, but if you can't afford something like that or Photoshop, then you can use a website called canva.com. Canva is awesome because it has tons of templates on there, as well as a really easy way to create graphics for your video. If you need inspiration for end screens, just go to other YouTube channels that you like and see what they put at the end of their videos for end screens. See if you like any of them. If you like those, then just try to emulate those and then put your own spin on it. Now, if you're feeling a little bit lazy and you want something just to drag and drop onto your channel that's already made for you, I actually created a bunch of end screens that you can use for your YouTube channel completely free. The link is in the description down below, so make sure that you get that before you leave today. But if you'd like to make your own, just use something like Canva. It works perfectly fine. So big shot, comment down below and let me know which tips you're gonna use to increase the watch time on your channel. Thanks for watching today. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next time.